Hey, what's up, Ghana? How you doing? My name is Chris, aka Disciple. I'm a filmmaker, director, producer. I want to do great things in Ghana, but what I want you to do is to tune in and watch Eagle Eye Television.
Sasso, I'm Coach Otto. Sasso, Coach Otto Addo, we are going to miss you. Never pen a mosaka, Sasso. I, my eyes is full of tears. And you can see many Ghanaians are happy. Sasso, now pay no one who you GFA, Coach Otto Addo, sacked. What a shock. Wow. Abusia, yakwada sorry ya GFA for said Dondon Afonte Gale. Almost say Coach Otto Addo, Ninjuma Abewe wenne. Na me check a timer official post no omo make ye wo Facebook no na 2 a.m. ahomache 2 enti GFA mo be sake Coach Otto Addo kora na anka mon sake no awia na se ayimre mpo 2 a.m. ahomache saso abusia ena no wada ena kire se March bosome ni mu 2024 and Ghana yetimi ye signing Coach Otto Addo, but before you be signing no as official head coach ankasa no in the year 2022 Coach Otto Addo ebuwa ye scout assign assistant coach at the Ghana Black Stars ultimately ebuwa ye ma qualify call World Cup na almost signing no from 2024 ebesi end 2026 and almost me agile to media friends ni nyina ene say aka 3 months na Ghana for ahoboa ye de be call FIFA World Cup 2026 na enum no omutumi ema ekogina akono ewo Astra na ye ni omokobo ani na ye international friendly match abusia Ghana ye ko ye hu biada omutumi espele Ghana esan espele Accra abusia omu etwa ye 5 Jordan dede Jordan ayu Jordan ayu timi eti ba kodema ya ekoye 5-1 abusia endra na ye ni Germany enso e de bo ani na Ghana for ewo arehemu se anka Coach Otto Addo betimi ayusu ne tactics ne tactics na ade na wo de abo Ghana etimi qualify match ne corner we no na assign akwakoye 2-1 eno mpo yankopon na ye na adom ya adom because penalty be mu ne ade a na anka metumi kura no ewi ni bebre ye hye bi kura na omanje anka e kan be more than that Ghana for endra Germany essence etwaye mienu a yetumi atimu baako na ohwe complain ahodo a eba Ghana oman no yedoye team no obia e de ne were enyina de ahye team ni mu ohwe Stoneboy Shatawale ni Ibrahim Mahama mu donate sika de support Black Star team na kire sampa ye wo oman Ghana team no hodo enti Ghana for akeka bebre pa say Coach Otto Addo any obi a oye Ghana's biggest problem a was say tumi eyi ne firi ho ampa ni ampa GFA etimi eti Ghana for sufre finally officially today as of 31st of March 2026 no Coach Otto Addo edna juma obeye ma my konkon Ghana as head coach for the Black Star senior soccer team no what the abana wiye ewo enda me no e ka say na abusia Ghana for do na ni agye he me nim say Ghana for sana motie eni je Ghana for ni agye na ohwe comment section ho no ma chale o de ba menken kai bi nkire mo na mu hu ne say ampa Ghana for I was even surprised reading some comment So wow, Ghana for Sana Motie. Martin Owusu and Kamal say good one. Let Miss Bell or Comfort Black take over. He's too good. We Victor Yao Ajimankun or say was he sacked together with the technical team or him alone? Or no say there was an technical team in Yana, ya scatter winina, and I say Coach Otto Addo Kwana. Yes, say Uncle Fee. Obinso say Akwesi Francis or say, but how and why do you sack someone at dawn? GFA, send an American now, 2 a.m. And I must say Coach Otto Addo on fire him fan of 2 a.m. Ahomachi, what's up? Or Henry Kingsley say he has overstayed his welcome. Nitri say Kaku. Alright, there. Obi krambo se wache wo enti yasake na onko na nitiri se kako we bright dimensions or say I guess his letter was even ready before the match. Obi sita man ebo match ni ane ya chire ne letter to say onya lusupe condemn to grebu ye sakre nwa kofie na ya sakre no. Obi say can choice key or say just 3 months to World Cup you are sacking coach boy no they laughing emojis at so Manuel Nima Mate Mensa or say meaning he remains in Germany and won't have to travel with the team going forward or say so no Germany no or free one enti ya sacking no on two kan ko bebia e ho no betina bo ne bra gba kokora ti se onya team foforo wo ho no Pojoba Vinica or say by the keeper trainer and others still the confirm training keepers na others no omo nyina no omo wo and answer yes ake omo nyina Al Kudus Yakubu was say meaning they should say it in a plain language so that the ordinary Ghanaians can understand. I will see a comment no bebele eba Isaac Anoche say we have kept our team in the darkness for too much long. Our black star can battle for victory in all competition if we give them a well-experienced tactical coach. Enti abusua no so ne de no obi say Tofik Al Hassan say bring me Melovan Rajvak or Claude Leroy or better still go for the Gen master Ralph Ragnick. Hey Charlie coach for name wouldn't be home but if anything Japan then they say but he's not a coach, you were just using business with him, your business with him is done. Sikadie Basa Wula Walanyo or say Enzo Maresca is available. Let's give him a short contract, but purposely for the World Cup. And he also need what they aba and no. Nana Kofi Achampon said, so you took him to his country of residence to say goodbye to him. More agent kwine war nukrum. No, so they said it was Obi Ebenezer Yamson. I'll say pencil will be his replacement. What GFA cannot do doesn't exist in football administration. In the I will see a comment section on more there. Buburu Savage is about you who be at the day eba. Now I will see an eagle eye reaction. Yes, so yeah, can you dear? To me, Okujaman, me who say Ghana Black Stars team no sabi ya wachamato bibiri ewom. First one your head coach no enti and ye na free one ma a very good idea. Say GFA motimi asaki coach Otto Addo say Uncle Fie na kire say yemfa foforo embra. Na wo hwe Ghana manuma to me personally say yeah make it transition ni changes between aboa anka be ya yemfa konya no emfa ma asamwajan baby jet. Why am I saying so? Because baby jet obi a one embrancha na abobo or experience in playing football. Ena osan retire nche ye bia energy ni woni mu wade ase pa ena wasan so ato aso akwakoye I mean coaching coach ene oye professional coach enti what prevents Asamoah to become Ghana's senior head coach? What you say pa we are only left with 3 good months na Ghana for yakọ FIFA World Cup 2026 mama masika amanfo donate ni nyina enye waste. This time round now, Masaki coach Otto Addo now. You know, your biggest problem no. Now we shouldn't be complaining about any coach again because coach Amadene Bano making sure say Odimu no sipi no sita. Now the Ghana for Eko Bosh assassin so. Moreover, players for now sabi ye ball now you who say omunjete no. Yen saki omu nyina no munko fie. Yen fa obi biere enkodina FIFA World Cup no we say consideration and or emotion no ye wan wan. Near you nim say obo 2 matches ni bia ne ball answer ni nyina yen saki omu nyina abrante na ode ball ne nsa 2 matches ni nyina no onya penalty ma Ghana no yen saka no won kofie mo mane na mpo nsi ho no mo kra na akɔhwɛ ball ni bi ma de ase pa nkɔfo a ɔmo ball na yehu ne sɛ anko ye nyina yen saka ɔmo nyina ma de ase na entumi mboa because Ghana man no enye ba akɔfo de a amafo e de ɔmo sika ahyem amafo de ɔmo were ahyem me sei Ghana fo e ball na samete ho na me hwɛ a me enya me na mete ho because me de me kra me nipadua mi bia hye Ghana football no nti ye hye Ghana e kama koma say like oba bia me don pa ka say okoja man is over between us e kama koma me feel the pain of Ghana losing a football match enti Ghana for ya koma eda team ne ho enti GFA motumi asake Coach Otto Addo congratulations my ade na yesere se nia opa no enye super duper manimba ye one of the better replacement of Coach Otto Addo na yensan emenya different complaints different problem bia na afei so the whole technical team ni nyina no mo hwe enkofo omo yade bia mo scatter omo nyina so na omo nko we are left with only 3 man every good decision bi mo make betumi aboa na Ghana for ye ni je atumi atena ho no ma afei ball na sika ma for invest no ebetumi make good useful sense no ye make it because a lot of us want to also contribute but nyawo ye no crown it seems say more discouraging because how come say money Australia bebo match 5-1 how come 5-1 entwe ye endra money Germany bobo as amaji bo na musuro men say that point embrante na say won also abrante bi ti say party ojibo hu say yes he is well experienced player obi say Jordan Ayew ojibo hu say yes this is a well experienced player wo hwe obi say abrante ya osi akadema Manchester City won sankofo wo mu nyina no omo jibo hu say this is an experienced player but ya no small boys na ye de omo atutu to be say omo try omo lack no omo jibo ai say ehu da omo so na omo akwase ball no opportunity to score na akwase no. You understand? So Ghana, we need serious and well experienced coach about me lead the Black Stars senior soccer team. No, Ghana, we have a lot of players here. In team motion as omo mo sisi na ye de omo match e wo Australia Germany na omo to me ambo teunum. Say ye best player. There are yet better players outside local teams are yen share dampo e fa ye ni nkom ho. Yen fa omo na omo embe performing better because this is the time you hear like experienced players. You hear players they are eager and hungry to play for the Black Stars of Ghana, not even for the sake of money or for the sake of fame, but they want to play for the country Ghana. Enti ebusunya mon kwaso na mon support Ghana Black Stars senior soccer team. Mpenefo se acha na mbu ye RS abebu ni nyina. Yetumi ehu se this is our weak point na yasesa Coach Otto Addo. I believe strongly say as time goes on things will change and Ghana Black Stars will bounce back to it.